Buying Bitcoin on Wealthsimple is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To get started, you need to have a Wealthsimple account. If you don't have one, you can create one by going to the Wealthsimple website and following the sign-up process. First, you need to fund your Wealthsimple account. You can do this by linking your bank account and depositing Canadian dollars. This will give you the necessary funds to buy Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, you can navigate to the Wealthsimple Crypto section. This is where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. To buy Bitcoin, simply select the Bitcoin option and enter the amount you want to purchase. Wealthsimple will then provide you with the current market price of Bitcoin and the total cost of your purchase. Make sure to review the details carefully before confirming your transaction. After you have confirmed your purchase, the Bitcoin will be added to your Wealthsimple crypto account. You can then choose to hold on to it or sell it at a later time. It's also important to note that Wealthsimple charges a small fee for each transaction, so be sure to factor that into your decision. One of the benefits of using Wealthsimple Crypto is that it is a registered investment firm in Canada, which means that your investments are protected. Additionally, Wealthsimple has a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, even for those who are new to investing. In terms of best practices, it's always a good idea to do your own research and set a budget before investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. You should also make sure to keep your account information and passwords secure to prevent unauthorized access. Overall, buying Bitcoin on Wealthsimple is a simple and convenient process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and doing your own research, you can start investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with confidence.